Hey guys, in today's video we're doing this look for Valentine's Day with 3 lip options. Before we get into this video, please subscribe at the button down below and let me know what videos you want to see in the future. So let's just get into this tutorial. For my brows, I used Benefit Browsings. I don't know what shade this is, I'll list it down below. And for a base, I'm using ColourPop No Filter Concealer. I'll list the shade name down below as well. And for shadow, we're using the Enigma Color Stay Revlon palette. This is so pretty, and I'm using this color just to set my base a little bit. And I'm using a Luxie Taper blending brush as well. And then we're going in with this taupe shade and just putting that in the crease as a light transition color. And then we're going with this maroon color. I will list all the brushes down below that I use, by the way, because I'm sitting in bed. And yeah, I don't remember all the brushes names yet, but we're using this maroon color and just carving out the crease and giving that shape that we want. And then we're going to go in with that same brush we used for the first 2 shades and blend. Next, we're using the deepest shade in the palette and packing that on the outer corner for some depth. And while you're watching, let me know down below what you're getting your Valentine for Valentine's Day. Now onto the shimmers. We're taking this gold shade and putting it all over the lid. I'm using the Morphe All I Want Eye Set for this brush. Next, this rose gold shade is going on the inner corner, and we're going to pack another shade on top of it for it to be more intense and more pinky tone, which is this baby pink shade that we're going to put on top. Okay? Okay. Then lastly, we're using this shade and popping it in the outer part of the lid. If you haven't noticed, we just used every single color in this palette. You guys, I think this is not new, but it's like a new formula, I believe. I don't know. I used to be obsessed with a Revlon eyeliner, and I think this is the same one, and I'm obsessed with this again. And I just wanted to say thank you to my person for making this background music because I really like it. And if you really listen closely, you can hear the Fenty lip gloss that is based off of being opened. But we're gonna go in with this Avon mascara and apply it to our lashes. And then we're going to take this maroon shade and pop it all along our lower lash line. And then we're going to take the deepest shade and put it on the outer lash line as well. So this is pretty pricey, but it's so worth it. This is the Rodin & Field's Active Hydration Serum, and I'm just using this all over my skin because my skin's been pretty dry since I've been sick and on antibiotics. For a primer, using the Revlon Rose Glow Hydrating and Illuminating Primer. And for a little bit more glow, we're going to take the Ciate Dewy Stick. And for foundation, we're using this Lancome Stick Foundation. And to blend this in, we're using the Sigma F80 brush. For concealer, we're using the CoverGirl Vitalist Concealer, and I like this. I used to didn't like it, but now I do like it. So yeah, I like it. For cream contour, using the Benefit Hoola Quickie Contour Stick and just blending that in with the same brush we used for our foundation. And then we're going to use the Revlon Color Stay Endless Glow highlighter. This is kind of a moussey consistency, but it's so beaming. To set our face, we're using the Rimmel London Insta Fix and Matte setting powder. into powder contour using the Hoola bronzer from Benefit. I haven't used this in so long, but I absolutely fell in love with it again in this video. For blush, we're using the Makeup Revolution Triple Bake Blusher, and this is the shade Candy Queen of Hearts. And for more of a pop of color, we're going to take this cream gel liner from ColourPop in the shade Piggy Bank. Just pop it on the waterline. And here are the 3 lip colors that we will be applying today. The first lip bead we're going in with is a Benefit Punch Pop. This is shade Pinkberry, and if you love glossy lips and want a subtle pop of color, this is definitely a good lip color to go with this look. The next lipstick we're going to go in with is from Juvia's Place. This is one of their matte lipsticks. This is the shade. And I really wanted to go in with something more warm just because I like that mix match type of matchy feel with my look sometimes. And this color went so good with it, I believe. Some people may not like it, but I really like this color with this look. This next lippy is from Revlon. Is the Ultra HD Matte Lip Mousse, and I can't see the shade name, so I'm gonna put it down below. But I really like this one, and I love this formula. I was not expecting this formula to be like this, but I really like these lipsticks. So yeah, this is like definitely the favorite. But this is all 3 lip looks with this look. Thank you for watching. I hope you have a good Valentine's Day, and I'll see you in my next video.